Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows version and whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, and note the build number so you download the correct package. Next, create a system restore point or quick image. That precaution saves you hours if something goes wrong. Once done, close all apps and temporarily disable third-party antivirus. This prevents installer conflicts and file locks, making the next step, running the DirectX installer, much more reliable and predictable. You run the DirectX installer next. Choose the Microsoft End-User Runtime Web Installer for up-to-date incremental fixes. Right-click and run as administrator, accept the license, and follow prompts. This ensures system files update correctly. During installation, the program may request additional components like NET or Visual C++ redistributables. Install those when prompted, because they often contain dependencies for DirectX features. Once the installer finishes, you finish by rebooting the PC and verifying the DirectX version. Press Win+R, type dxdiag, and check the system and display tabs for the DirectX version and feature levels. If you encounter errors or missing DLLs, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted files. These tools fix common post-install issues. Once stable, re-enable antivirus and keep the restore point until you're certain nothing else breaks. This gives you a quick rollback if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.